Yeah.
Let's start. Salt bars, 29 inch. Salt grips, had them about a year. They're alright.
City, Crazy Bob, 20-inch tiles. Don't know by what.
21.2.
Aye. Perry, Odyssey Twisted, just like my ones over there.
2-piece crank.
Which I don't see how that's possible because you get one piece and then you get two piece. He's somehow fucking gathered up a two piece. Not one
I've
piece
got
and two
blank.
piece.
Don't ken the size of the hub.
It's a 10 tooth back hub by a 25 front sprocket. That is dodgy because the gearing's out and it's dodgy to ride at a skate park.
A blank seat. It's no comfy. It's not good.
Because it's not meant to be comfy, man.
Then I've got
What is it? It's like, that'll be a blank.
just a blank stock headset, and that's about it.
What about your front hub? Like front hub, sprocket, crank arms, cranks.
Proper front hub, no rub wheel. That's just a ordinary headset
With the people frame.
with a people frame,
It's painted black.
painted black.
No shit.
And I've got
Aye, what else?
a Harvard's KMC chain blue.
He's changing that because it's hideous and it's absolutely atrocious, to be fair.
And I just need to get new better parts for my bike, saving up.
Saving
And
it.
plus the back rim is split, so I need to be
Where's it
careful.
split?
It's
Aye, right there. I can't see it. Put it into the light, man. I can't see it.
split
Right.
right there.
Right there. What happened to it so near it? What's that? Aye.
Aye, my pal hit it with a hammer and it's so
Wait with that.
so sound.
What type of seat? It's no true. Look. Roll it. Spin it. It's no true. What seat post you got?
It's a
It'll be a blank
blank and plus a gold blank.
seat post grip thing.
Aye.
That's about it, and it's just like a cheap, dodgy as hell sprocket. 25 tooth. Now, to be fair, spin it. Spin your fucking. I love that sound. Whereas with mine, you get no sound because it's a fucking. There. There, right there, man. Whereas with mine, it's awful quiet because like it's a different setup. It's a lock nut like kind. You can't hear it at all. It's just like dead quiet. It's a piece of shizer, to be fair. But fuck it. I'll hopefully get better parts for it. Holy crap! It's blue in this, but it's green. Look.
I know, but that's the camera quality because it's a light. The light's there, it's shining on it.
I know it changes colour anyway. Alright, well, that has been a quick bike check for my pal's bike. We'll do another one whenever it gets better parts, and I'll do another one whenever I can hear about this thing, which I'll look
Plus we
up.
can do a scooter review. Cause
Oh, don't get me started on scooters. They're not going on this.
no, my
Scooters are gay.
pal, only use it because my wee cousin.
Scooters are gay. Scooters are gay. Scooters are gay. Listen to Bocco123. Scooters are gay. Free advertising Bocco123.com. They're amazing. Go search out BQR123. They have got amazing clips and webisodes. Well, that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. I actually don't care. It's freezing cold outside. I'm in a damn t-shirt and just a pair of skinny jeans and Van old school high tops, which, to be fair, are wrecked. Vans are amazing. I fucking love them.
Super dry.
And then that gay boy there's.
Cheetos with Adidas high tops.
You don't wear fucking dating for riding. Well, I kind of this is like 10th time I've said it. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch us all after. Bye.